Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock watch model GA-110CD-1A3ER. Let's get started. Right from the start, we can notice that the design of the G-Shock watch box has changed. What do you think of the new design? There's no longer a metal box inside. This is probably a cheaper option for making boxes. Metal is much more expensive. What do you think about this color? I'm positively surprised. It looks beautiful. It will definitely mark the summer of 2024. These are the most significant features of the G-Shock GA-110 watch. 1. Shock resistance, designed to withstand shocks, vibrations, and impacts, making it suitable for rugged activities. 2. Water resistance, water-resistant up to a certain depth, allowing you to wear it during water-related activities such as swimming and snorkeling. 3. Analog digital display, features both analog and digital displays for convenient timekeeping. 4. World time, displays the current time in major cities and specific areas around the world. 5. Stopwatch, includes a stopwatch function for measuring elapsed time with high precision. 6. Countdown timer, allows you to set a countdown timer for various activities. 7. Auto calendar, automatically adjusts the date, including leap years, up to a certain year. 8. LED light, illuminates the watch face for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. 9. Battery life, long-lasting battery life ensures reliable operation over an extended period. 10. Resin band, durable resin band provides comfort and longevity for everyday wear. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.